with you, buddy? You think you could use the car to hit me this one?
Have you ever heard of a crosswalk?
I've heard of a crosswalk. Your mother's a crosswalk.
You leave my mother out of this. This is clearly
You think this is funny? Pushing me around with your vehicle?
It's hilarious. I think you are stupid for slapping my car.
I am very important. Look at my hair and beard.
I am very important as well. I'm a businessman.
I carry a briefcase everywhere that I go. You stop that! You stop that, sir! That's ridiculous. I will give you the finger. Oh, my briefcase is very heavy. You want this middle finger? Oh, okay. All right.
Oh, you're gonna get this. Oh, you're hiding now.
Perfectly hidden. You'll never see me. Oh, he sees me.
Take that.
Freedom.
Now. Get back here, you vagabond.
Oh no! Oh, there's a door. Curses. Oh, it opens. Stairs. Up the stairs. And around the corner.
Here, you ninny.
Oh, here I am. Oh, elevator. Excellent. I'll use the elevator. That's easier than walking up the stairs. If I hit the button more, the elevator will come faster. See? Victoire.
I hope he didn't use the elevator. Damn it, he used the elevator. Oh, I'll have to use the stairs. Damn it.
Oh, good, here we go! Oh, whoop, there he is! Oh, there you are. Okay.
You!
There! Take that!
You take this!
Well, one more unsuccessful attack.
Oh, don't you run away from me!
I've got a secret in store for you, my friend. Take
that!
that!
Damn it!
Oh, forgot the briefcase.
I will tear you from limb to limb. I will tear you asunder.
Oh, will you? I'm running away.
Oh, damn it!
Must find a hiding place in this hallway. Oh, found the perfect one. So I can become one with the jungle.
Comedians are not people.
Listen, you. I'm going to ask you politely, not to give away my position.
Hey, you! Did you see a strange man run through here?
Yes, he's wearing a blue shirt.
Oh, confound you! Enough of your literature!
Hey.
My nemesis!
It is not me. Your nemesis. Oh, I must run away.
Oh.
Once again, by running away, succeed.
Damn, you're running!
I'm running and returning fire. Yes, it's a perfect plan.
Capitalism exploits the worker!
I'll exploit you with this!
I'll exploit your mother!
Oh, you won't! Oh, curse my missing leg.
Take this! You are making me so late for work, I am very angry!
You can't be as angry as me behind this pillar!
I will be behind this pillar!
Will you? Take that!
Take this with returning fire!
I bring you middle fingers!
Middle fingers are not imports from China!
Yes, I agree!
Yes, we will export to India!
I've got a bigger gun in my bag.
No! My gun is broken!
And here it is! Ha ha!
Shoot!
I shall now use it! Take that! It is for you!
Oh yeah? Take this!
Uh-oh, curse your doubling!
Double the pleasure for your fun!
No! My weapon! I must run now.
No, you're not running anywhere!
Oh, God.
Make room for two.
I've been gravely wounded. Oh, wait. Before you end me, listen, I have a TPS report due in that briefcase. I completed it to all the specifications. You need to bring that to Dwight and Simmons to the 17th floor, which is very high. But you can get there in an elevator. It's extremely easy. You just press the buttons, and the faster you press them, the faster you get up there. Just do me this one favor, my friend. Bring the TPS report, Dwight Simmons, 17th floor.
Specifications and elevators. This sounds way beyond my caliber. However, I think I can open this briefcase at least to see this fabled TPS report,
Yes,
of
it's
which
right
I
there.
must write many.
In that pocket.
Ah, yes. I see you have written these, but I shall take it and claim it as my own.
No.
Yes. You have made me very late, not as a woman, but as a man, and I shall take this. And you will receive nothing. I will take this 9 times because I'm that dastardly.
No.
Now.
No.
Finish!
Oh, I've been finished, but take
I am
that.
so evil. Oh, my spine! Oh, crack! We will use science to solve this conundrum.
All right, let's use science right now on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Science! Oh, hypothesis!
Oh, test. Gather your results.
All right.
Bibliography.
I have a theory now.
Ooh, discussion.
Science.
Hooligan.
Vagabond.
I've had just about enough of your shenanigans for one day in my very busy business-like life.
You are so greasy.